Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Excel for data analysis. First, let's get comfortable with the Excel environment. You'll want to understand the ribbon, worksheets, and how cells are organized. Practice entering and formatting different kinds of data, like numbers and text, to ensure your spreadsheets are clean and ready for analysis. This foundational knowledge is crucial for all subsequent steps. Next, we'll dive into essential Excel functions that are the backbone of data analysis. Functions like SUM, average, count, min, and max help you quickly summarize numerical data. The if function allows you to apply conditional logic, which is incredibly powerful. Also, learn VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to efficiently find and retrieve specific information from your datasets, saving you valuable time. Now, let's make your data more manageable and understandable. Sorting and filtering are fundamental for isolating and examining specific subsets of your data. Pivot tables are incredibly powerful for summarizing large amounts of information and revealing patterns. Finally, learn to create various charts and graphs, such as bar charts or line charts, to visually represent your findings and communicate insights effectively to others. To elevate your Excel skills, explore advanced techniques. Conditional formatting helps you visually identify trends and outliers by applying rules to your data. Consider recording macros to automate repetitive tasks, boosting your efficiency. The key to mastery is consistent practice. Work with diverse, real-world datasets to solidify your understanding and develop a strong intuition for data analysis in Excel. Keep learning and experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.